welcome to Amul Life. I am Chef Kunal Rao from St. John College of Humanities and Sciences, Cosmetic Studies. Welcomes you all. Today we are going to make a white forest cake with an artificial dripping on it. So for this, we'll be needing one cake, that is the Amul. This is the sponge made up from the. This is a premix sponge. This is a wet sponge. So I'll just cut the sponge into 3 layers or 2 layers. That is totally depending upon your taste. So I'm just cutting it into 3 layers. Just cut this cake into 3 layers. The first layer, then the second layer, I'm just cutting it. Now I will just soak the cake with the normal water. You can use the flavor water also if you want, but I am using a plain water. Just soak it. Now this is a white sponge, vanilla sponge, soak it little bit lesser than the chocolate sponge. I'll bring the whipped cream till that. Just Foxy. So this is the Amul whipped cream which I have whipped and kept it, so I'll just take it. Just take a little bit of that in another bowl to mix it. And in this I'll be adding a white ganache. Now, white ganache I have made it from the Amul fresh cream. I have taken this Amul fresh cream and I have added the mixed Amul white chocolate in there. So I'll just add 1 tablespoon of this. And then just we have to mix it till it gets a normal taste. We are just going to spread a little bit on the. But this depends upon your own taste, how much you want. If you want more, you can put more. If you want less, you can also put less. And just layer it. Now this above also will put little bit of this chocolate ganache. This is a white ganache. Just put a little bit, and this also will just spread. Now this is the second layer, which the above layer it is been there. This I will be just putting it upside down. So this will automatically increase the height of the cake. And now you can see the gaps which have been there over here. So we are just going to fill this gap with normal cream. Just put the cream on all the 4 sides. And then just again soak this cake. Again put a cream layer on that. Again with the palette knife, just give a I will add again the chocolate sauce which has been there, that is your white chocolate sauce. If you want, you can put a tutti frutti, or if you want, you can put the cherries also in this, in the middle layer. So just put it this and then just spread this white ganache. If you want, you can put a little bit of white chocolate on your, in the layer also. Just and with this you are going to cover it with the third layer of this cake on this, and then just little bit you just press it. Now again we'll soak this, we'll just put a little bit of cream on the again we'll just soak it with your normal water. You can see the second layer which you have put upside down the layer, the height of the cake has automatically increased. We'll just put the cream on the upper side. Now first we'll do the crumb coat, which we'll just cover it with a normal little cream, so the crumb of the cake will not come in your cream. We'll just after this, when crumb coat is been done, now we'll be just adding the normal cream. We'll start with the siding because we want a sharp edge. So we'll start from the back side, from the bottom side, and then we'll come to the top of it. So with this, I'll just take a cream, and with this cream, I'll just start to apply it on a take the another cream. And this also I'll just put this sauce. I will just take this cream and we'll just put it on the and we just cover this cake. Now what we will be doing, we will just putting the cream on the upper side. So automatically the cake from the upside also it will be getting covered. So we will just put how much the amount of the cream which you want to cover it. This has been done. Now the cream which has been there, we can just put this cream on the next side. So we can just cover this cake. Now what to do, just to give a proper finishing, we can just take the scraper, which you can use a steel scraper, you can use a plastic also, and just put it in a sleeping mode, and then just you can see it has been covered from all the sides. Now we are just taking the upper side which we want the cream to be come out. So we just give a finishing touch at the upper side. So this has been done. Now what we'll be doing, this is a cake comb which has a different designs on this. So one of the design I'll just put it on this. So you'll get a proper lining on this. So I'll just put this and we'll just how much your cake design has been there. So this is your normal design. So whenever we'll be showing a dripping, it will be just coming from the upper side. Now I'll just take this cake on the cake board. This is a circle cake board. As the cake is circle, I just taken this. And what you can do is you can just grease it, and you can keep this cake in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes or to 5 minutes in a deep freezer to sit. Just keep this cake. Now we are going to just do the glaze effect on this. So you have to do the new now you have to do the artificial dripping. Now for the artificial dripping, we will be needing this piping gel, which is normally called as a piping gel or the neutral gel in the market. This is little sweeter in texture, which is very much thick in consistency. So we have to make it little bit liquidy. How much your dripping you want. If you want the dripping to be stop in the middle, put it water less. If you want the dripping to be followed till the bottom of your cake, you can add in more amount of water. So I am taking approximately 2 tablespoons of this piping gel. Or you can present a neutral gel or the piping gel you get in the market, same. So I am just taking this too. It is very much sticky. So just add the water in this. You can add the 1 tablespoon of water in that. I'm just adding it. And you have to mix it very much nicely. You can see this is a flowing consistency properly. So now in this I will be adding the color. So I have taken a color to be added as a red color in the dripping. So I just add this red color. Now how much you want a darker color, you can do it. You can add the neutral this water based color, or you can add the gel effect color also. So you can see they have got the color proper to this. If you want, you can use any another color also, another color. Now I am just putting this in your piping bag. So for this piping bag I have kept this. I have just put it in the glass. It is very easy to pour it. I will be pouring all this. And you have to just take it out of glass. And you can just put a knot so it will not come out while you are piping it out. Okay. I'll just bring my cake. So I'll just put the dripping on that cake and I'll show you. Now this is the cake. Now what we can do is we have to just cut this in a normal shape, little bit on a very smaller side. Don't cut it too much big. You just cut it small, and we can just see that it's properly falling on. If it is properly falling, you can just take it on this. And this will come down as there is a time. It will just take it because it is thicker in shape, so it will be coming down as a natural. And now we will be just making a little bit flowers on the upper side. So I have taken another piping bag. So there is a star nozzle in this. Now this is a white forest cake, so we'll be just putting the design also on this. We'll be just taking a white cream. So I have just put this noodle in the back. That is it's called the star noodle. It's a big star noodle in this. Now I just take this cream. And now to just give a color to this cake, what I'm going to do is I'm just putting this color in the piping bag. And just put this 1-2 drops. Like this, you can just put it a drop. And you can just take on any plate and you can just so in this piping bag we will be getting a little bit droplets. So this color, when the flower will be making, it will be getting a white color in that. So I'll just take a little bit of cream in that. You can see this color, it has been got piping. I'll just put 3 flowers, so it will be very nearer than that. I'll just show you. And if smaller, if you want, you can just put a small dot also in this. If you want, you can just put it. Now this dripping is there. If you are making plain it, you can just put it crosswise also on that. Now with this, there is a little bit on the space it has been remaining where I will be putting the white chocolate. So we'll just put it. And in this cake which we have made, this roses, in the middle we can just give a drop of this shape. So it will again look it very proper. So you can just either you can put a cherry or you can put it. Hope so you have liked this cake. So does anyone has any question with this? So you will enjoy this cake and you will make this cake. Does anyone has any questions in this? So in this cake I have used the Amul fresh cream, the Amul chocolate which we get in the white compound, and I have used the Amul whipped cream. That Amul whipped cream is non-sweeter, so I have added the Mithai meal in this Amul whipped cream. Amul whipped cream is a cream which doesn't have the sugar content. It is not sweet as a normal whipping cream. So in this we can add the Mithai meal or we can add the normal powder sugar which is at your home also. So that also can be added in this. So with this the cake has been done. Hope so you will make this cake and you will taste it. Does anyone has any question in this? Hope so you like this cake, you will make it and you will enjoy it. The new flavor you can enjoy. Thank you for watching the Amul Live, this cake.